Good morning, my dear friends. Look here. Now we already completed the revision class of quadratic equation and linear equations. Now some important problems, that is essay questions. Okay, look here. A motor boat takes 6 hours to cover 100 kilometer downstream and 30 kilometer upstream. 100 kilometer down and 30 kilometer up. Okay, when you write it, a motor boat takes 6 hours to cover 100 kilometer downstream and 30 kilometer upstream. The same boat with same speed. If the same boat with the same speed goes 75 kilometer downstream and 75 kilometer upstream and returns back. So 75 kilometer upstream and 75 kilometer downstream, that is returns back in 8 hours. If the same boat covers 75 kilometer upstream and returns back means downstream means 75 kilometer downstream in 8 hours. Okay, find the speed of the boat and speed of stream. That's the question. Look here. Let the speed of boats equal to x and speed of stream equal to y. You know, downstream speeds, that is x plus y. The stream is with the boat, so it is x plus y. Upstream speeds equal to x minus y, because the stream is against the speed of the boat. You get the idea? That already you studied in physics. Downstream means the speed of boat is with the speed of stream, that is x plus y. Upstream means just reverse, x minus y. Then you look at the sentence. 100 kilometer downstream and 30 kilometer upstream, that is 100 by x plus y, that is the time. So time is equal to 100 by x plus y, that is downstream. 30 up means 30 by x minus y. Distance by speed equal to time. So 100 by x plus y plus 30 by x minus y, that's equal to 6 hours. That's the first sentence. Okay. Then the next sentence is 75 kilometer upstream, downstream, and returns back means 75 kilometer up. 75 down and 75 up. 75 upstream, then returns back. That is in 8 hours. So let it be equation number 1 and 2. Are you ready? Now let's 1 by x plus y is equal to u and 1 by x minus y is equal to v. They are in the denominator. So here the sentence is 100u plus 30v equal to 6. And here 75u plus 75v equal to 8. Is it completed then? That is number 3 and 4. Is it completed? You assume that 1 by x plus y is equal to u. So 100u, 30v. 1 by x minus y equal to v. 30v equal to 6. Get the idea? Next, whether this is divisible numbers. If you divide it by this by 2, so you get 50u plus 15v equal to 3. That's equation number 5. And fourth one is 75u plus 75v equal to 8. That is the fourth one. Is it completed? All these numbers divided by 2, you get like this. Now 15 into 5 equal to 75. So equation number 4 into 5, that's by elimination method. 5 into 50, 250u. 5 into 15, that is 75v. 5 into 3 equal to 50. That is equation number 6. And the fourth one is 75u plus 75v is already 8. Then you subtract 75v minus 75v cancels. So if you subtract it, you get like this. That is 175u equal to, let's get cancelled. That is 7. So u equal to 7 divided by 175. I think it is divisible exactly 25 times. So u is equal to 1 by 20. You get the idea? Now you substitute u equal to 1 by 25 in this equation, any equation. So substitute u equal to 1 by 25 in equation number 5. Equation number 5. 50 into 1 by 25, that is the value of u. Plus 15 be equal to 3. Now this cancel 2 times. 2 plus 15 be equal to 3. 15 be equal to 3 minus 2. Plus 2 transfer to that side. 1. And b equal to 1 divided by 15. Okay. Now look here. You assume u is equal to 1 by x plus y, that is 25. So x plus y equal to 25. Cross multiply. That's equation number 7. And v 1 by x minus y 1 by 15 cross multiply. X minus y is equal to 15. X plus y is equal to 25. X minus y is equal to 15. X plus y is equal to 25 and x minus y is equal to 15. That's equation number 7 and 8. Is it completed? Now by elimination method, plus y and minus y add it to get 0. So by adding you get 2x equal to this is 40. X equal to 40 divided by 2 equal to 20. Okay. And substitute that value in this equation. X is equal to 20. 20 plus y equal to 25. Y is equal to 25 minus 20. That's equal to 5. Is it completed? Then check very carefully the video. Watch very carefully the video. I will give you such same type of problem as home assignment for the revision class. You remember that? And x is equal to 20 means speed of boat equal to 20 kilometer per hour and speed of stream, that is y, equal to 5 kilometer per hour. That are your answers. Is it clear? Okay. And there is a similar problem in no problem. I will give you home assignment of this later. Okay. All the best.